Ross here, RVerTV. We are leaving Cape Arago State Park. Just seen all the seals and all that last video. Wasn't that cool? Them guys down there sunning themselves on them rocks. Waves crashing. What a life they have, huh? Here's a decent look at their day use areas too. They got picnic tables both sides. There's a little trail up here with another view. I'm not going to get out here, but we're going to be heading back towards Charleston. Actually, Sunset Bay. But there's another park, something Shores. I'll see the sign when we get up there. It's got a botanical garden. I thought, stop there a minute. We'll film that. See what it looks like. Okay, just a little bit down the road. Also, right up here on the left, there's an overlook where you can see the same rocks with the seals on it. Right here on the left. Matter of fact, I'm going to circle through. I'm not going to stop, because you don't get as good a view as what we had down on that path. Look at that van. My next van's going to be a high top, that's for sure. Anyway, you can get out. You can look at the seals from up here too, but we already seen them. So let's head on down to that botanical garden. The wind is really blowing too. It's cold. That's a cold wind. There's supposed to be storms coming in too. Yeah, looks like them guys have got weed eaters, mowers, trimming the trees through here. That'd be an endless job, huh? It's like a rainforest. Okay, should be up here on the left-hand side. It is Shore Acres. That's the name of it. Shore Acres State Park Day Use. And this one you got to pay a fee. I think it's $5. We'll find out down here. A lot of people out enjoying these beautiful places. Of course, it's June in Oregon. Summertime has started. $5 for an all-day pass. I guess that ain't too bad. Alright, we'll go down here, get parked, get out and check out their botanical garden. Well, let's go check out the view first. Big old sign over there, warning, you can fall off. Look at the brick wall. This must be like a cliff here. That little building, you can go in there, probably in bad weather. Oh, cool. Oh, look at those rocks. Whoa. That is straight down there. Look at them. That's beautiful. Holy moly. That is crystal clear blue. Look how the water's going through all the rocks. Maybe I can get that on the camera here. Yeah, look at all the different formations and everything. How the water's carved it out over through the thousands of years. Look at that. Like a sculpture. Just breathtaking. Alright, well, let's go find those botanical gardens real quick. It's been a long day. Okay, you hike through the woods here. It's supposed to be a little gift shop. I'm getting pretty tired. It's been a very long day. Done a lot of walking, a lot of driving. We've done some miles, went to Walmart, did all that stuff today. Long day. I'll be glad to get to the campground, get settled. Okay, here's the gate. Go in and check it out. Wow, look at all the flowers. Little fountain. If you're into this kind of stuff, the bees are everywhere. Isn't this cute? Look at this. If you're really into flowers, you'll love this. Nice. Yeah, people just wandering around. But they're really into plants. I like RVs. Okay, well, here's the botanical garden at Shore Acres State Park in Oregon. Pretty place. Glad I stopped. Okay, it's time to head to the van. What's that? That's our gift shop there. I don't need any gifts. Very well done. Once again, Oregon. 5-star state parks. You can't beat these things. I'm just in awe of it. All the way up the coast so far. Beautiful. Alright, let's go find my old van so I can get the heck out of here. Down in the description, there are links to help support the channel. Buy me a cup of coffee. Shop on Amazon. Get a t-shirt, coffee mug, tote bags, all kinds of good stuff. They're on Teespring. It's right underneath the description area. Thank you for all your support. Hey, there's the old van. Yay. Alrighty, well, I'm going to go back to that Sunset Bay campground, get my site for the night. Then tomorrow we're heading north again. I still really got to check on that weather. They're talking for quite a bit of rain coming in. And on the coast, I bet they're right. I bet it'll get it. If it does, I'm still going to travel. I'm not slowing up. I can't. Got to keep going. So we'll film the best we can in the rain. All kinds of good stuff to see yet. So the 2019 RV There Yet travel series continues. Okay, y'all. Have a good evening. Take care. Talk soon.